that by diversifying revenue streams, universities are indeed moving towards financial independence and institutional sustainability. This is good news for learning, teaching, research, development, and innovation. To enhance efficiency in student financing by streamlining loan processing and ensuring timely disbursements, the Government of Kenya has emerged the Higher Education Loans Board, commonly known as Helb, and the Universities Fund. And as I promised last week, Helb released 1.5 billion last Friday, and yesterday an additional 4.5 billion, bringing the total disbursement to 6 billion for students' upkeep. So far, Helb has disbursed 36.6 billion in tuition and upkeep loans, benefiting 418,000 university students and 233,000 trainees in TVET institutions for the year 2024-2025 financial year. It is important, these numbers are important for us to appreciate where our education and funding is. We are going to be spending this year 650 billion, Kenya shillings 650 billion for our education sector. That is 29% of our entire budget. We increased that amount slightly to cover the 76,000 additional teachers we hired in the last 2 years, and also the additional classrooms that we are building. In the last 1 year, we have built 17,000 classrooms across Kenya to facilitate the transition of our CBC program, specifically in the city of Nairobi, where in our informal settlements, we still have the biggest challenge of access by children in informal settlements. Last year, I did an affirmative action for the city of Nairobi and provided an extra 1 billion shillings to build 500 new classrooms. I'm very happy that that process is underway, working with the members of parliament of the city. Additionally, we will be looking at the budget again this year because in the city of Nairobi alone, we have a shortage of 3,000 classrooms. And we will continuously work towards making sure that even the students in the informal schools find their way into our formal schools.